Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw the map of Algeria. So this is a separate playlist in my channel. I'm going to cover most of the maps of the countries, as many as possible. So as you know, we are going to draw all the maps according to the alphabetic letters. So the first letter is A. So in that case, it starts with the A, Algeria. So this is the starting drawings of the maps. Later we are going to progress to A, B, C, D, the countries which initialized by those letters. Let's begin. As you know, when you learn the maps, even sometimes you go to the atlas and search the countries. So if you learn the maps and you know the surrounding countries or the borders, then it's very easy for you to find out the particular country from the world map. It's going to be very easier. And most of the times the maps is like the fixed maps. It usually doesn't change unless major things happens. So for Algeria, you can see here, and its capital city is the Algiers. As you can see here, on the north it has a Mediterranean Sea, and we're going to describe other countries later, but first we are going to draw the border lines of the maps. So let's start from the top. Okay, so it's like a good thing, as you know, that the dimension, but before that I can show you. If you put like a grid line for drawing the maps, then it will be very easier for you. So first you would like to draw a grid pattern. You can see the grid here, and another grid you can see in the middle here. So I'm using the highlighter to show the uh, highlighting shades all over the other words, so that you can easily understand the other words and it doesn't obscure or obstruct the visualizations. And now you can see, but because of the letters, I think I have to use the more prominent dark marker so that the map is become bold. Okay, so first we're going to draw the outlines. You can see. All right, then we're drawing it again and going to the other end. This is like a graphical presentation, so not like all the details are same here, but we're going to present the closest outlook of the map of that country. All right, so in a single outlook you will easily understand that which country map this is. Now you can see that I'm putting in a freehand line. Okay, so this is the grid. You can see here. This is the grid, and this is the other grid. You can see. So when you draw the map, just divide the whole map into a square grid, and within the axis, you know, first you put the grid, then you draw the right side portion, then you draw this portion, you draw this portion, then you draw this portion. That is how the map is going to be almost perfect. Sometimes, you know, as it is not an usual shape, this is very unusual and random shape. So for perfect shape, you have to divide it into 4 grids if you want to draw in a more perfection and professional way. And after drawing, you can see that on the north east corner it has a Tunisia, on the east corner Libya, below here you can see the bottom line southeast corner Niger, and in this side it has a Mali, and also on the west side it has a border with the Morocco. So all those countries are surrounding with the map of Algeria. Now for more good looking presentations, we're going to use some colors. So it's better if we use some usual colors. So let's see, we're going to use this like a off-white color to show the map in a nice way. Okay, so it's just like a separation from the outside graphics to the inside map and give it a particular border. It's very light color and just doing all right. Okay, so after drawing the whole area, this is visually very clear, the outlook of the map. And I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You can do practice at home, and these are the simple steps. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.